Okay, I noticed I left off that power of 3 when I did the chain rule, so make sure you fix that. So it should be 4 times the inside, and then you subtract 1 from the power, and then the derivative of the inside. Also, it's a good habit to go ahead and simplify anything you can before you substitute into your formula. So I multiplied 4 times 2x minus 2. Now we're going to substitute in to our derivative formula for the quotient rule, and we always start off with u prime of x times v. So that would be 2x times x squared minus 2x to the 4th power. Then we're going to subtract our u of x times v prime. So we have x squared times 8x minus 8 times x squared minus 2x to the 3rd. And last part is we take our v and square it. And that goes in our denominator. So our v in this quick case is x squared minus 2x to the 4th. And we're going to square that. Now you can see that there is a way we're going to be able to simplify this. They all have an x squared minus 2x to the 3rd power. But before we go ahead and factor that out, let's simplify a few things. Here we're okay. I'm just going to rewrite that. Here I want to multiply negative x squared times 8x minus 8. So that would be, if I just do the x squared part, it would be 8x cubed minus 8x squared. And all times x squared minus 2x to the 3rd power. And that's going to be all over our x squared minus 2x and to the 8th power, because when we have a power to the power, we multiply. And now we can factor out x squared minus 2x to the 3rd power. We could also factor out a 2x, but I don't think that's going to help us when we go to try to simplify. So I'm just going to factor out what I see that I'm going to be able to cancel in the denominator. And that's x squared minus 2x to the 3rd. So we'd be left with 2x times one more of these x squared minus 2x's. Subtracting, that's all factored out. So subtracting our 8x cubed minus 8x squared. And again, this is all over x squared minus 2x to the 8th. And we're going to now be able to cancel all x squared minus 2x to the 3rds with 3 of those there. So the denominator would be left with x squared minus 2x to the 5th. Now the last part is we're just going to multiply through and combine like terms. So we have in the numerator 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x cubed, and then negative times a negative would be plus 8x squared. Again, all over x squared minus 2x to the 5th. Now I can combine like terms. And we would have negative 6x cubed and positive 4x squared. All over x squared minus 2x to the 5th power. Just notice that this does not look like a power. Let's make sure it does before we stop here for the night. So our derivative of our last problem is negative 6x cubed plus 4x squared. divided by x squared minus 2x to the 5th power. Okay, have a great rest of your evening.